So hey guys, welcome back to UCB Creations. So in this video we are going to do this type of photo editing. So that is also very simple using PicsArt, and so somewhat we'll do color grade using Adobe Lightroom. So both these apps are free. You can download from Play Store and link will be in description. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So this is our background. You'll get the link in description. You can go there and download. Now first, after adding our background, now we have to go to add photo, and now we have to add our model. I have removed the background and I kept it. So this is our background. Now again we'll remove the background. So for removing background, we have to go to cutout, and from here we can select the outline person. Now it will automatically select our person, so it is selected. If we want, we can see preview. Here we got somewhat outline also, so we'll erase it. So after this we have to click on save, and it will get erased, and we have to adjust here. So somewhat like this we have to adjust it like this, and if we want we can erase some more here. To click on done, and we have to set the model like this. After this we have to click on done. After clicking done, we have to again add shadows. Before adding shadows, first we'll crop the photo. Okay, tools, crop. Now we'll crop the photo to square so that we can upload in Instagram like this. Till here we'll crop it. Now we have to add some PNGs. For all these PNGs, we all have these PNGs in PicsArt for free. We'll get them. For that we have to go to sticker, and here we have to click on search, and here we have to search the all whatever we want. We can search here. So first we'll click type wooden table. So here we got our wooden table. Now we'll add it, and we'll keep it here. So after keeping it here, we'll click on done, and it will get done. Again, now if we want, we can add our some different PNGs like gifs and many more. Here I'll click on cake table. So if we find any realistic cake, directly we'll select it. I'm not getting it. Here I got it, so I'll select it. If we want, I'll give all the links in description. You can go and download them, or in PicsArt itself you can find them here. After adjusting it, again now I'm going to add a gifs PNG sticker for gifts. So we got that PNG. We'll click on that. It is getting downloading. After download, we'll increase the size, and we'll keep it here like this. If we want, we'll increase the size like this. I'm going to keep it here. Now again we'll click on done, and if we want any other particles, you can add it. Now I'm going to add shadows to it. We'll go to draw tool, draw, and here we'll select the color black, and in brush you can see this hardness is 0, size is somewhat less, opacity is also less. Here now we have to create shadows wherever it is needed. After we do, again we have to click on done. So if you want to add any other PNGs also from this itself, from PicsArt. So this is our today's final photo editing. So that's it for today's video. If you like our video, do not forget to share our video and subscribe our channel for more unique and interesting videos. So thanks for watching.